Okay, so today I'm with Israel. Where's Izzy, the travel channel? And I'm going to put a link below. But basically, we're going to be doing a little bit of hanging around in Macau, and we're going to be doing several different videos. But this particular one, he's explaining the Sao Paulo ruins, and it's such a great video that I wanted to show homage to him as well, and his channel. And also just to kind of let people see what the Sao Paulo ruins is all about. So let's get into this. Okay, so welcome to Macau 2023, and we're documenting the city of Macau so you can see exactly what it looks like in 2023. Let's check everything out. Ready? Yep, so actually Israel's going to tell me a little bit about, I'll just let him talk.
Yeah, so there is a way to read the face of the ruins of St. Paul. And actually the ruins of St. Paul has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels, and they're divided horizontally. You can see that each level has a horizontal. And it starts sort of from the earthly level, which is the bottom, all the way up to the most important level, which is heaven. And the reason I say that is because the first level is actually the group of men who built the ruins of St. Paul, which were the Jesuits. You can see the insignia of the Jesuits on each side of the doors, and the wording Mater Dei, which is Mother of God, right over the main entrance. The next level above the Jesuits are the saints. Of course, they are people who have already died, who have become saints, and you can see them in bronze in the next level. The level above that, which I think is the most interesting level, is the Virgin Mary level. Now, this is the most interesting level to me because it has some of the most fascinating items that have been carved into the ruins of St. Paul, starting on the left with a very Chinese, the lions, which you would never typically see in a Catholic church, because it's very culturally Asian, right? And I know that the Catholics don't like to share, so this is very interesting. And then you have the demon. Now maybe you can see next to the demon the Chinese characters in writing, and if I remember correctly, it's beware of the evil or something similar to this, right? Then next to that we have the Virgin Mary overseeing the Portuguese ships. As we know, the Portuguese were very good seamen, and they obviously were very Catholic. So this is representative of Portuguese culture. And then right in the middle we have the Virgin Mary, and then further to the right, this is super interesting. We have the Virgin Mary. We have the Virgin Mary again stopping the head of a 7-headed Hydra. So this is representative of good stomping out evil. And then we have some more Chinese characters over next to the 7-headed Hydra that most people, when they look at the ruins of St. Paul, completely gloss over. Then we have the skeleton, which is supposed to be the triumph of, I believe it's the triumph of Jesus over death. And then finally another set of lions on the other side. Now, the next level, which is also interesting, is Jesus as a child in bronze. But what's interesting about this level, and to keep it brief, is it has what are called the tools of the Passion. What are the tools of the Passion? They are the items that were used during the crucifixion of Jesus. So you can see that you have the thorn of roses on his bottom right foot. To us, it'll be the bottom left. You have the, I don't know what this is called, it's like a whip. And then above that, it's like a hammer. But over to the bottom right, you can see the 3 nails that were crossed into Jesus. So all of these were tools. And one of these, there's a spear that was actually used to end Jesus' life, but I can't really point it out from here. Okay, so that's the next level. And then the level above that, you can see the dove, which is representative of the Holy Spirit, which is closest to God. And that's how you read the ruins of St. Paul. Most people come, they don't really know where to focus, they just sort of gloss over. I did, I've been here hundreds of times, until I was able to understand how to read this. And I think it's beautiful because you have basically a building that's 500 years old that's transmitting information to us from such a long time ago. I think it's incredibly beautiful. I don't know what your thoughts are, Kevin.
I definitely think so too. That was a great one. So
thanks. Yeah. I don't know what you. Yeah. Anyways.
Perfect. Thanks, Israel.
Yeah.
So all right, so here we go. I'll end this one right here. Okay, so welcome to Macau 2023, and we're documenting the city of Macau so you can see exactly what it looks like in 2023. Let's check everything out. Chiquinha, chiquinha.